Isa pa.
Ito po si Mora. At ito si Lou Margaret. Margie! Nagalit pa sa akin. Lou! Pero yan po ang mga klase ko. At ito ang Kosa. Everybody again, make some noise! Ito. Kakaunti lang po kasi pumasok kayo kaya bagot na bagot kami. Kaya ngayon, kakanta kami. Alumni Homecoming for all of you.
Parang wala. Sabay tayo, Jay.
One, two, three, go. Ba't umanga? Ay mo lang nakita. Sorry.
Ng mahabang panahon. High school pa tayo. Nakakakilala. Walang ko pa noon. May sobrang lupit mo na.
Naglalay sa mga di nagkakalay na mahilig mo. Laging magkasama tayong dalawa. Nadang iyong ilong. Nawala ng hindi inaasahan. Parang nasayang nawala na. Everybody got your hands. Everybody's got a prize.
Stop for a minute then. Why is everybody so serious? So deadly serious. You got shades in the eyes. You're so high and you have a good time. Everybody look to the left. Hey, everybody look to the right. If you feel like it, okay, do that tonight. It's not about the money. You got your money. You just wanna make the world better. Forget about the price. I need you right now. But you ain't gonna get about that. Yeah, like okay, you wanna make the world better. Forget about the price. Think it's way back in time.
Why is everybody so upset? I can say that that's happiness. Everybody look to the left. Everybody look to the right. It's not about the money. We just wanna make the world better. Forget about the price now. Ain't about that. Change the game. Ain't about that. Make the world better. Forget about the price. Take the cash back. And this is 3 street. And this is 3 street. And this is 3 street.
Fishball.
And this is 7 street. 8 street. 9 street. 9 street. 11 street. Yo, break it down. Aha.
Kita may intro.
Ano pa?